doing just fine so far. We've had enough rain to keep it growing and enough heat to make it grow. Planted the 27th of May this year, almost 2 months old.
And when will you harvest it?
Late September or early October. This variety is called Red Petiole. It's a fiber variety. So we have the 13 varieties, but as far as land area, it's a very small area. It's a tenth of an acre.
And what do you hope to do next year?
Well, we'd like to test more varieties than what were available this year, and there are lots of different fertility regimes we'd like to look at, and planting density issues we'd like to look at, so lots of research yet to do.